Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Amazon Alexa app for smart home control, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't see the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app has launched, you will be greeted with a welcome screen. To log in, tap on the Sign In button at the bottom of the screen. You will then be prompted to enter your Amazon account email address. Type in your email address carefully to avoid any typos. After entering your email, tap Continue. Next, you'll need to enter your Amazon account password. Make sure the password is entered correctly, as it is case sensitive. Once the password is entered, tap Sign In. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to the app's home screen. If you encounter any issues, check for an error message and follow the prompts. For added security, you may need to complete a two-factor authentication process. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. Once logged in, you can start to set up and control your smart home devices. Navigate to the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can add new devices by tapping on the plus icon. Follow the prompts to discover and connect your smart home items. You can also organize your devices into groups for easier management. Explore the app to customize settings for each device. Now, you are ready to make the most of your Amazon Alexa app for smart home control. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.